Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today we will talk about how to create new sentences. Okay, so this video is very useful for English speaking and writing English. Okay, so if you want to speak English and if you want to write English, then this video is very useful for you, and you can create multiple type sentences using these methods. Okay, so let's see methods. In this video I will share with you only one method. Okay, so and next method we will share in other videos. Okay, so our first method is about use synonyms to replace words. Okay, use synonyms to replace words and you can create new sentences using this method. Okay, by replacing words with their synonyms, okay, you can create new sentences while keeping the meaning intent. Okay, so let's see example. So first, to understand method is replacing words with their synonyms. You can create new sentences while keeping meaning intact. Okay, so let's see example. Our example is here. So original sentence is the cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. This is our real sentence here. So let's create new sentence using this original sentence and without missing the meaning of this sentence. Okay, so first new sentence is here. The flying rested on the mat. The flying rested on the mat. So this is first or new sentence here. Second is the cat perched on the mat. The cat perched on the mat. Third sentence is here. The cat sat on the rag. Okay. Fourth sentence is the cat sat on the mat quietly. Okay. Next, fifth sentence is the cat settled on the mat. The cat settled on the mat. I hope you understand these 5 new sentences. Okay, and our real sentence or origin sentence is the cat sat on the mat, and other 5 sentences here, the file rested on the mat. Okay, so for file means cat here. Okay, sat means rested here. Okay, they are synonyms here. And the cat perched means sat. This is the synonyms here. And the cat sat on the rag means mat, synonyms here. Next, the cat sat on the mat quietly. This is only a adjective here. Point next, the cat settled means sat, synonyms here on the mat. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. You can create new sentences using synonyms. Okay, so there are 50 sentence, and using this original sentence you can create new sentences. If you have any kind of doubt, please write in the comment box. If you like the information, then like, share the video, also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.